Hi guys, today we're camping with Gary.
Hello guys, how is it going?
Good. I'm gonna bring my
something.
bring my friend Bob.
I see something.
What are those? Give me one.
Wait.
Give me one.
Hey, wait. Do you remember the Tridale warrior?
Yes, very much so.
Yes, I think these were his hammers.
Well, give me one, so then it's fair.
Wait, let's test the power first.
Oh my god!
Yeah! Very powerful.
Very powerful indeed.
Let me copy them from my scanner, and then I can buy you one.
Whee!
I'm
Well,
gonna copy them
are we
from
actually
my
gonna go
scanner.
camping or what?
Yes, we go camp. How hammers? How much hammer? Take hammer.
I have.
Alright. Get flashlight on your hip shield. And me man.
I need a grappler.
You don't need grappler, you need hammer.
Okay, let's go then.
Grab your hammer. Leave Bob
I do.
behind.
No, Bob is my pet.
Okay, just wait.
Bob is my
Okay,
friend.
just wait.
Bob is my friend.
It seemed dark. Should we wait? Hurry!
I ain't doing this. Bob, protect us.
Tridale! This hammer powerful.
Yeah, like my farts.
Yeah.
My friend's farts.
I took a lot of damage. How long are we gonna survive this?
We should wait until it becomes morning.
John Tridale! You go okay, you fight. It's morning! Let's get go!
Oh yeah,
Big
I think
Daddy throw rocks! Big Daddy throwing rocks!
What?
Big Daddy throw rock. Yes, mine. Mine that to do.
I'm stronger than you. I'm stronger. Never mind.
I got one! Rockman chasing me! Rockman! Big Daddy! Big Daddy!
Why do you sound? Tape! That's a tape.
Tape! Just go! Get tape! Put tape back!
Run! Armstrong's coming.
Rock monster chase!
Yeah, monster.
Rock monster can't get us! Put VHS on!
Why do you sound like Shrek? Wait, no, ain't Shrek. Shred. Wait, no, Stitch. Silly me. What's Forest?
It made me sound.
I
It
got
made me
Forest.
sound foul.
I got Forest.
It made me sound dumb.
Well, this is Forest.
Sugar too. Currently.
Should we
Anyway,
go
let's get
fishing?
going.
Should we go fishing?
Camp. No, camp.
No, because then it'll be
Camp.
dark. Hey Fred, follow hey Bob. Whatever your
Nice.
name is. What's your name? What's your name?
Gary.
Yeah, Gary, come back. Gary, come back. I'm leaving now.
No. We'll
Hey,
wait
Gary,
for
follow
light.
me. Follow me.
We'll wait for light.
You know Bob is your imaginary friend, right? You know Bob is...
Bob is not my imaginary friend.
He is. He just forgot him.
Bob is not my...
He just forgot him.
I don't know, Bob.
Yeah, because you forgot him. He always used to love you.
Well, he's imaginary.
Yeah, well, he went into this rubber ducky. He's making
I
some...
don't care.
Well, I'll throw him down
Ducky.
the sewers then.
Do it then. Bye, Bob. Bye. Bob!
Get down there. Get down there.
What you
Get down.
do,
Get down.
Bob?
Nothing.
Ah,
No.
Bob!
Ah,
No, Bob!
no. I'm okay.
Bob! No! Spider!
Get me back up, please.
No!
Please. I don't want
Okay,
to go.
we get you something.
Give me a grapple or something. I'll catch
No,
him.
you can't grapple on metal.
Oh God, I think I'm gonna die.
Me get you daddy's toy.
What? Oh yes! Oh, uh-oh. Gimme!
No give!
No, please! I'll do anything. I'll give Bob back. I'll give Bob back. I'll do anything, please.
Oh!
Just give me the fan. I have Bob in my inventory. That was a fake Bob.
Okay, me get you back up then.
Please give me a fan.
Okay.
No flashlight. Only.
This will help you back up.
Ah! No, please. Ah! Stop! Just give me a fan. Please. Ah!
Hey!
This is your fault. Oh, I found Bob.
Me drop you. Me drop the fun for you.
Thank you.
Me drop the gun for you.
Bro, I'm about to die.
Monster gun.
I can see the worm come down right now. I'm scared.
Me. Right.
Squeaky squeak!
Good. Oh,
Squeaky squeak!
I see.
You killed me! Oh.
Hello? Me go to sleep.
I died because of you! I literally lost my one and out. I lost my plunger! Greg! Or whatever your name is. I lost
Gary!
my plunger because of you! Oh my god, how do I have that much money? I'm gonna go get my...
I gave you fun. You could have flag up there, but
No,
you
I
didn't.
didn't have!
You didn't. I threw 3 fans down there.
I'm gonna die then. I'm gonna die then!
Die then!
Oh yeah, die!
Die!
No, don't! No, please! I'm sorry! No, please! No, don't! Please don't! Don't,
Me
please!
plus the curse stone! Me plus the curse stone!
No, please don't! No!
Ah!
I was nearly melted alive. No! Please. I was nearly melted alive. Please. Please.
You little goddamn!
Please. I'm gonna be melted alive. Please. No, please.
Rich.
I hate you.
Break up. Me buy you something.
What's it gonna be?
Me.
This is machine that helps the poor people. Grab on.
It won't save me. No. What? Why? I fell across. Huh? I fell out of the map. I'm gonna flush you down the toilet. Get over here. Get over here. Come on.
Grab on.
Come
Grab on.
No. How
Grab
about
on.
you grab on? Get over here.
Hey, let me try. Grab.
Grab. Wait, you grab. I'm gonna drown
Alright.
you. I'm gonna drown you now.
Don't flush.
Oh God.
Sugar, T2T.2. Never Manuel.
Eat this poo. That will make you feel better.
Sugar, T2T.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'll sell you. This is food. You want food?
The sugar.
This is
T.2.
sugar. This is sugar T.2. Sugar T.2. Come. Sugar T.2. Bro, do you want sugar D.2? T.2? Do you want sugar?
Give me.
Sugar. Follow me. Come on.
Sugar. Have a go, Gabby.
Come on. It's safe. It's safe. It's safe.
No.
Come on.
No.
It's fine. I'll give you. It's fine.
Me test.
It's fine. Oh God! Ah! Wow.